Now to the latest on the coronavirus pandemic. There are now nearly 150 cases in Florida.
That has doubled just since Saturday. The State Department of Health has been updating the number of cases overnight, but we have not received one this morning. Now, according to their last update, 136 residents and 13 non-residents are sick in Florida. At least 40 people have been diagnosed with coronavirus in Broward County, another 15 in Miami-Dade County, and 4 Florida residents have died from the virus. And this morning, the Centers for Disease Control is recommending gatherings of 50 people or more be canceled or postponed for the next 8 weeks to stop the spread of coronavirus.
Spring break is over, but more importantly, you've got to start treating this virus as something where you got to listen to what people are telling you to do. You can't just act like it doesn't.
And the other big news this morning, as you heard, Miami Beach and Fort Lauderdale are shutting down spring break. Those cities are closing beaches, requiring restaurants to close by 10, limiting how many people can actually be inside.
Well, it's just one of the many changes that we see as officials try to control the spread of this virus. CBS 4's Jessica Vallejo is live on Fort Lauderdale Beach with the latest. Jessica, good morning.
Good morning. Well, right now, soldiers and airmen from the Florida National Guard are in these Broward hotels, and later on this morning, they will be trained to help test people that are feeling sick. These barriers are meant to keep people off the sand on Fort Lauderdale Beach as coronavirus continues to spread.
The city of Fort Lauderdale will be closing the dry sand portion of our public beach.
The 4-mile closure is from Harbor Drive to north of Oakland Park Boulevard until April 12th. This officially ends spring break and postpones events like Tortuga Music Festival.
We're now also seeing positive cases in all age groups, including younger people and individuals with no travel history.
Bars and restaurants in the city must now close by 10 at night and operate at half their normal capacity and can't have more than 250 people.
Fighting coronavirus lies with everyone doing their part to be responsible, to be supportive.
Broward has been leading the state in positive cases. Governor Ron DeSantis says hundreds of soldiers and airmen with the Florida National Guard are in the county. A spokesperson says that they'll help with either walk-up or drive-through testing.
Folks who are elderly, that have symptoms, that have an underlying medical condition, we want to have the easiest way possible for them to test and then, if need be, to get treatment or to self-isolate.
The governor says they've partnered with Memorial Healthcare System. At Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport, the TSA has confirmed a screening officer has coronavirus. That officer last worked March 3rd in Terminal 3, Checkpoint F, and was scheduled overnight to 11 in the morning. In a statement to U.S., a spokesperson said the officer is receiving medical care and all TSA employees they have come in contact with over the past 14 days are self-isolated at home. Screening checkpoints remain open and the agency is working with the CDC and others for the health and safety of employees and travelers. A traveler told us she feels safe.
And I believe that they're wiping everything down and doing due diligence, and I'm trying to practice social space.
Also Sunday, Hallandale Beach announced all government-owned facilities will be closed until further notice. And the Fort Lauderdale mayor says these restrictions will also help protect our first responders and law enforcement from catching COVID-19. We're live in Fort Lauderdale Beach. Jessica Vallejo, CBS 4 this morning.